Hi, I'm Terry Kimball and I'm here with the Chandler Chamber, and we are really excited to bring this brand new video series to you regarding answering all your questions regarding health insurance and healthcare plan options. Today I have with me Kevin Michaels with Michaels and Associates. Kevin, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
What about pre-existing conditions with Affinity programs?
Well, with affinity programs, if it's medically underwritten, the pre-existing conditions are covered. They just affect the rate. They can affect the rate significantly. What's more important is after an affinity program is in place is on renewal. Because on renewal, the group, not as a small group of 2 or 3, say you're a 3-person group within a larger overall group of affinity programs, your rates are based on your medical loss ratio. So if you've had a significant loss, then that is reflected in your renewal on top of what they call trend rates. So it becomes very expensive as we go